And I invite our guest of honor, Mr. M.B. Nirmal. What is the meaning of the word Nirmal? Can any one of you tell me? Nirmal? No, I can't hear you. What is the meaning of Nirmal? I'm sure there is some Nirmala around here. Nirmal? Not fearless. Nirmal is clean, pure. And he stands for that, for cleanliness. He was a bank officer, and of course he's won awards and prizes for being the best branch manager. He was posted in several places in the Indian Overseas Bank in India and Hong Kong and everywhere. But he came back. He's a dreamer and a doer. For him, nothing is impossible. He's the chief
motivator
behind the cleanliness drive that Chennai has seen and all India has seen. He formed what is called the Ex-Nora. Ex-Nora stands for excellent, novel, radical. So he went in for ideas. We find a lot of garbage around you, what do? You get disgusted, you get angry, you blame the corporation, you blame everybody. No. Mr. Nirmal taught us how you can get rid of the garbage, how you can proactively do whatever you can do in your sphere. And he came to our community on Marais Gate Road, Maharaja Surya Rao Road. And we didn't know who our neighbor was. For several years, for 30, 40 years, we had lived on those roads without knowing, without talking to any of our neighbors. Garbage brought us together. Yes. And Mr. Nirmal held us together. He said, this is a common problem. You have to solve it. Don't expect somebody else to do it for you. And at every step, of course, there were so many difficulties, so many problems. But everywhere, every time, whether it was late in the night or sometime he was out of town, he was always there to help us with advice, with guidance, if necessary to talk to the authorities. So we had carried out successfully. This song was created for what we called our group, Venus Civic Ex-Nora. So I'm so happy that he's able to be here with us today.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go and click the bell icon to get regular updates from our channel. In case you have missed any videos, please visit the channel page by clicking the channel icon.